I used this simple website to get a real client and I didn't write a single line of code. This is the exact website I used, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how I build it and how you can use it to get clients. Most people try to get clients but fail because they don't have a proof. So I built this a simple portfolio website to show my skill and project. Like here's the important part. Not everything, just what matters. Like a hero section is the first impression, like project most important, contact section. But the real reason this works I'll show you in a minutes. And there is a three step in this video I'm gonna show you. Like first step, I used AI to generate the structure, then I added project like this, and third step, I finally deployed it using Netlify. If you want to build this type of website and make 1k dollar per client, so please watch till then. I'll show you every process step by step. So let's get started. So first thing first, we need to go to the Dribbble where you can easily just find your website inspiration. So here's, as you can see, there is a, I'm inside the Dribbble right now, and there is a lots of website inspiration that you can easily just take one of them and like design your website with the help of Stitch. So here's, as you can see, there is a lots of website inspiration. Just I'll just took one of them and then go to the Stitch for the website designing. So I'll simply just, here's it looks good, and it's look like this the animation type. So I think this one is not good for designing. So I'll just simply just see for the another website inspiration. Yes, as you can see, it's also looks good, but I think all right, so it's good. So just see how it looks like on the big screen. All right, so it's looks for the SaaS app, you can just easily use it on SaaS app. So just leave it. And here's I think this one is good. So actually I want this one because this one is looks good for the, okay, so I'll just simply download it because this looks good. So just go to the like Stitch for the website designing. And okay, so I'll simply just go to the Stitch for the website designing where you can easily just website your design. Here's, I'll simply just download it and go inside the Stitch, just paste it here. No, actually I have to download it, that's why, because the this is not the drag and drop. So just download it. All right, so uh, that is the like we now we're gonna just go to the Stitch for the website designing and just all right, so just we're gonna just here's, I'll just simply upload the file which has downloaded by the Dribbble. Dribbble is basically good for your website inspiration. So now, as you can see, I'll simply just drag that file and like say something like please build a website, please build a landing as the as this like as with this, with the help of this inspiration. So now I'll just simply click on enter for the website design. Now the Stitch basically design your website according to the like inspiration, website inspiration. Alright, so now as you can see, the website designing is ready according to the website inspiration, and it looks perfect according to that. You can just easily design your website with the help of Dribbble and with the help of your website inspiration. So now as you can see, the website is basically looks good, and it's looks good for like a portfolio type. So I'll just simply export it into the Google AI Studio for building the whole entire website. So and I'll just simply create one more section. That's why, because it's not enough for like a website. So basically you can see here the doctors, it's all looks good, looks well, but I need to create one more section for this. So now as you can see, the section is creating right here, and the section is creating here. And after creating the section, we're gonna just go to the Google AI Studio, like export it into the Google AI Studio for building the entire website. And after building the website, we're gonna just deploy it using Netlify. So see the process. So here's, as you can see, the website section is ready, one more section is ready. So now as you can see, I'm gonna just simply export this to one. simply just export it into the Google AI Studio for building the website. Here, as you can see, there is a lots of option. You can just easily do that. Like you can also build your website with the help of like cloud. There is a lots of option. So now, yes, as you can see, mm, the website is exported into the designing is exported into the Google AI Studio. So I'll simply just build this, click on build and build the website. It is loading for a while, and then just simply click on, like Google AI Studio is basically build your website, even your own app. So it's good for building your website, so you can try it. If you want to build this type build a website, just check the description of the Google AI Studio, link down below in the descriptions. So now it takes for a while. Okay, so now I'll simply just click on enter for building the website. And here's, as you can see, now the Google AI Studio basically build your website according to the according to the designing. So now, as you can see, the Google AI Studio is starting the building the website right here. And now if you want to like build your website with the another option like cloud code, like anti-gravity, you can easily do that. That's why, because there is a option in Stitch, where you can just easily build your website with the help of cloud or like a anti-gravity or another platform that you can do that. So just do that, guys. So now, as you can see, the Google AI Studio is building the website right here. And after building the website, we're gonna just deploy it using Netlify. And just we're gonna just create a repository on GitHub, and then build a website. So please, if you want to like build this type of site more and more, so make sure to hit the subscribe button for more. And now, as you can see here, it takes for a while. All right, so now, as you can see, the website is ready and it looks like this. The Google AI Studio basically ready the website, and it looks like this. The website looks like this, and it looks well according to the like designing. So I'll simply just do it in big screen and take a look. Expert care for your health and wellness. It's basically looks good for portfolio. This is the just a portfolio website that I can just show you how to build this type of site using Stitch or Google AI Studio. So make sure to hit the subscribe button for more. So now, as you can see, the website is basically looks good. So now we need to deploy this website using Netlify. So now I'm gonna just go to Netlify. Now we're gonna just deploy it. So just simply click here and just click on publish. And now click on GitHub, just if you want to deploy this website, and create a repository on GitHub, like just Medi. And uh, it's just checking, and keep it on private, not a public. So just keep in private and create GitHub repository for the deployment, for the website deploying on the internet. So now, as you can see, the repository is creating right here. And after a second, the repo is created. You can see the process. So just simply click here, stage and commit all the changes. Now we're going to just go to the Netlify for deploying the website. So if you want to check the website, please check the description link down. So here I'm gonna just search for the Netlify for deploying the website. So simply click on start building. It takes for a while, then going inside the Netlify. So now, as you can see here, there is a lots of website that I have already deployed using Netlify is the best part. Is Netlify is completely free to use. You can easily just deploy your website to free. So now, as you can see here, so I'll just simply click on GitHub. We're gonna just import the repository from the GitHub. So just click on GitHub, and now, as you can see here, mm, I have created a repository few seconds ago. So there is a lots of repository I have created. So now I'll just simply click on Medi. That's why, because I have created a second ago. So now, as you I'll simply just give the project name like a Medi. It's not available, so just click. Okay, so see for the another name, Medi Medo, not available, guys. So just you can just find a name of the, if it available. So just click on me meadow. No, it's not also available, guys. You can also do that, guys, because it's a big problem. So just click here and click on medi. Actually this is not okay, so it's available right here. So now I'll simply just click on deploy web medi. Now after a second, just netlify deploy the website on the internet, and that you can see the website on the live on the internet, guys. So now yes, as you can see, the project deployed is in progress right here. The project is progressing in right here. So just we're gonna just see it on the internet live after 2 second, after 2 minutes. So just click, we're gonna just click here. Netlify is completely free to use. You can just easily use it to free. You can easily just deploy your website using like Netlify, and the best part, it's completely free. So now as you can see, the website deployed right here, and just simply click on this link and go in. Alright, so now as you can see, this is the final result and the website looks good. And as you can see here, if you want to build this type of website, and please hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more, and drop the comment how the website and video is. And please hit the subscribe button if you want to build this type of site like more and more. So okay, see you in the next video, guys. The website, take a look again of the website, it looks good for selling it like a 1k dollar easily. So just if you want to build more and more this type of website, so make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. I hope this video is worth it and useful for you. You can just easily use you can just easily build your website with the help of this video. Alright, so see you in the next video.